Hi, I'm Gary Siegel, founder of the STEAM Fund. After 30 years spent as a music educator here in Sullivan County, I'm continuing my commitment to education. That's why I'm happy to be partnering with the Sullivan County Teacher Center to bring some informative and fun professional development opportunities to you. Here are STEAM's teaching artists and my good friends, Beth and Scott Bierko, to tell you more.
Thanks, Gary.
May the love inside of you connect with others who really love her. I love in this moment. May the love inside of you connect with others who really love her. I love in this moment.
We are Beth and Scott Bierko, as Gary mentioned, and for 30 years we have been teaching artists using music, movement, mindfulness, and storytelling in the classrooms and in staff development days to help teachers like you.
We'd love you to join us for the upcoming workshop where we can learn a lot of simple tools that you can use for yourself and also for your students.
Now, we know your time is precious, and at the end of the day, sometimes just getting home and trying to get dinner ready or having a moment to yourself feels like the right choice. But we feel that what we have to offer is going to help you so much. Taking that time to breathe and fill your own well, to find the joy of music and the camaraderie with other teachers so that you can learn and grow with them, fill your own well, and then come back stronger than ever.
So register today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Back to you, Gary.
It's full steam ahead with our Healthy Habits initiative designed to make a generational improvement in health using music, songwriting, nutrition, mindfulness, and movement, providing you with tools to improve your social emotional wellness, mental health, and helping you to make healthier choices. Our STEAM team is excited about doing everything we can to support teachers like you. To register, contact Teacher Center Director Christine.Decker, who will supply you with the registration link on Frontline.